everyone. In the last video, we covered models like can, could, must, have to, need, ought to, dare and used to. Today it is time to solve an exercise on these particular models from your grammar book BBC COMPACTA. And in case you have missed that video, you can always go to that video. The link is given in the description. So let's start solving this exercise with me in BBC COMPACTA grammar book. This is the exercise that we are going to start off. Put can, can't, could or couldn't in the blanks in the following sentences. Let's read through. Dash, you please come a little early tomorrow. Now this is a request, and for polite request we will use the model could. So I have written could you please come a little early tomorrow. Next, accidents dash happen anytime. Now here we are talking about a possibility. So for possibility we can write the model can. I'm afraid I dash come to the party tomorrow. Now here I'm talking about a negative ability. So I'll use the word can't. How dash you be so unkind? How could you be so unkind? Pace played well, but he dash beat Federer. But he couldn't beat Federer. Now how do you know whether I have to put here present or the past form? Just look at the tense of the sentence. It's already in the past tense. That is why I have used couldn't instead of can't. Next one, dash you speak any other language besides English. Now here I am talking about the ability of a person. So I am going to use here can. Question number B. Put have to, must, mustn't, need, needn't, ought to, ought not to in the blanks in the following sentences. Let's start. You dash reach there before dawn. It's a compulsion from speaker side. So we are going to write here you must. They dash be in danger. Now this is a probability that we are talking about, an assumption. So I'm going to put here must. You dash leave the place without permission. Now this is giving us a negative sense. So for negative we can write here you mustn't, means it's an advice given to somebody. We dash worry, dad is there to help us. It's a necessity that is being talked about here, and necessity in the negative form. So I have put here we needn't worry. Dash I meet the boss every day. Is there a necessity here? So for necessity I will write the model need. Dash I remind him again. Need I remind him again. Again we are talking about necessity like we talked about in the previous statement. The next one, children dash play on the lawn. Now it's an obligation or a compulsion. So for that expression I have used here mustn't. You dash write your name anywhere in the answer book. You mustn't write your name, or you can also write you must not, as in different words. We dash to do our duty sincerely. So when we are talking about our duties, then we generally use the word ought. And also please check what is written after the blank. If you have to written here, then it is obvious to have the model ought, because ought will never exist without to. You dash not read somebody else's letter. It's bad manners. You must not read. It's an advice that I am giving to the listener. The next one, you dash respect your teachers. Now here again we are talking about an obligation. So we have a choice here. We may write must or we may write ought to here. Teachers dash to have love for their students. Now look here, after the blank you have the word to. which is always written in combination with ought. Next, we dash not to tease the animals. Not to tease. Again, it's a duty. But if you look at these two words, not to, give us the negative sense of ought not to. So you can write here, ought not to tease the animals. The last part of this question, the rule says that all the members dash present 15 minutes before the meeting to be. So I have to use here to. Now, if I have to use to here, I can write or I can use the modal have to be. Okay. Moving on to the next question, C. Put need or dare in the blanks in the following sentences. Now we know that need is used for necessity and dare is used for courage. Let's start. You dash not send me the receipt. It's a necessity. So you need not send me the receipt. He dash not move from the place. Now this gives a tone of courage. So I put the modal dare here. How dash you disobey your father? Now dare, if it's used in negative, it can also be used in interrogatives. So I can use the modal dare here. How dare you disobey your father? The next one, dash I come here again, means I'm asking for necessity here. So I put here need I come here again. You dash not issue another check. Again talking about necessity. So I inserted here need. You need not issue another check. How dash you open my letters? Again talking of courage. So I'll use the modal dare. Dash I pay the whole amount now? Again talking about necessity. So I have used the modal need here. Coming to the next question, question number D, fill in the blanks correctly with the modals given below. You may also have to use their negative forms. Let's start. What do we have here? In the options, we have can, could, must, need, ought to, dare, and used to. Let's start. Mom, dash I have another apple please? Now, this is like asking for permission. And out of whatever we have, we can use the word can. The next question, dash you help me with grammar, please? Now this is a polite request. So I can use the modal could here for politeness. Next, you dash stay here as long as you wish. Now this is an offer given to someone. I can write here, you can stay here as long as you wish. I dash eat is the verb, 20 boiled eggs at a time. I can eat 20 boiled eggs at a time. This is like expressing ability. It's pretty late already. I dash go now. I must go now. You have very high fever. You dash see a doctor immediately. It's like giving an advice. So I can write here, you must see a doctor immediately. Next, you dash worry. I have already made all the arrangements. This is like necessity in negative form. So I have written, you need not worry. I have already made all the arrangements. The next one, all the letters dash be posted today. It is my order. Now this word order tells us that it's a compulsion to the listener. So in case of compulsion, we use the modal must. How dash you touch my books? It talks about courage. So I have used the modal dare. He dash complain to the principal. He is scared of me. So here Again, we are talking about courage. Here again, we are talking about courage in the negative sense. So I can write, he dared not complain to the principal. The principal dash be in his office. I saw him enter it a little while ago. So the principal must be in his office. Dash, you wait for some time please. It's a polite request, so I can use the modal could. I dash be very naughty as a child. I am not naughty anymore. This is a past habit of somebody, and for past habits we can write used to. So I have written, I used to be very naughty as a child. There dash be a cinema here once. Now in this case we are talking about the existence of something in the past. Of course, we are talking about existence of a cinema in the past, and in that case we will use the modal used to be. My advice is you ought to practice even longer. So it is an advice along with the word to. Therefore, I have used the modal ought to. You dash tell lies. It is like telling somebody or advising somebody about their duty or obligation. So we can write here, you mustn't or must not. Your results itself speak of your negligence. Dash I say anything? Need I say anything? Next one. As per the rules, you dash pay all the fees in advance. You must pay all the fees in advance. Now the last part of this question. The restaurant dash be very good. It's always empty. The restaurant cannot be very good. It's always empty. That's it for today's session, and I expect that whatever questions we discussed right now and the exercise that we solved was understood by you. Any questions? Please comment in the comment box. I'm always here to help you. Thank you very much. Stay safe and sound, and God bless you.